Your revenge is close now. Nothing can stop it.
Don't underestimate Minsk. He is by far the most cunning enemy we've ever faced. If I should fall, you must take the swarm from Core Hall.
Flee? This is not the way of the Zerg.
Yet it is my will. You will obey my command, and take the swarm to seek our true enemy. Find Amon. Destroy him before he can enslave the swarm again.
As you command.
Here you are, at the enemy's doorstep. It is almost over.
I don't think it will be that simple. It never is with Arcturus. He thinks around you, that one. He knows where you'll walk before you do.
But you've been part of so many of his plans. As accomplice or victim? I am sure you learned a trick or two, yes?
I did. We'll find out very soon if I was a good student.
There were so many ways to fail. I feared we would not make it to the surface, but we did. You have made us so powerful, but when you have your revenge, will you leave us?
I am one with the swarm, Isha. If we survive this fight, we have even greater battles ahead. We will face them together.
I have seen more of the Terrans than ever before. In some way, I feel sorry for them.
How so?
They have their nations and their clans, but each one of them is alone inside. I wish I could help them by taking their essence for the swarm and then killing them.
The Terrans have no idea you're with me. They don't know about the primal zerg.
We will collect them.
You will surprise them. They have always used our psionic connection against us.
The primal zerg do not have this connection. The primal zerg do not need this.
Exactly. You sit in that palace like a spider at the center of its web. But your web is falling apart around you, Minsk.
Terrans too similar. Recessive trait upon recessive trait. Doomed. Ultralisk strain ready for augmentation. Dominion laboratory discovered on Core Hall. Experimenting on Ultralisks. Able to turn research against them. Dominion Xeno Research Facility, Metis. Zerg inside. Can capture. Can use.
Minsk certainly wants to keep us out, but we can use his own specimens against him. And Ultralisk. I can do a lot with this one. Hear me, Ultralisk. Break free. Fight to the door. Kill anything in your path.
Security Squad 4, what is going on in there?
There. Destroy that containment cell and free those Ultralisks.
Toxic compound released. Great potential. Bonding to Ultralisk sequences. Noxious strain. Releases poisonous explosion. Damages enemies in target area.
I didn't sign up for this. I want this facility under control now! Contain those specimens, or the Emperor will have your head! It burns! What are you people doing? Shoot them!
Research facility crippled. Specimens freed. Proceeding to subsequent battleground. Outskirts of August Grad. Military housing. Supply center. Facility must be destroyed. Experimental nuclear weapons produced within.
The bridge is guarded by Dominion forces. Move forward. Secure the passage.
Ultralisk incoming!
Fire the warhead! Now!
Sir, it's still experimental. We don't know what it'll do.
Fire the damn warhead now!
Analyzing damage. Radioactive compound infecting Ultralisk.
Make use of it.
Integrating with atrophied evolutionary path. Ultralisk strain Torask. Resuscitates dead tissue. Revives creature.
Press on. We continue the assault.
What are these ugly things?
Put those monsters down and keep them down! Another warhead!
Cocoon forms upon death. Will revive momentarily.
It got back up. Oh, that ain't right.
I will turn this city into a radiated ruin if I have to. Another warhead!
Additional Ultralisks ready. Delivering now.
My car, man! I just paid that thing off!
Facility destroyed. Experimental weapon production no longer possible. We'll prepare Ultralisk sequence, returning to Evolution Pit. Sequences ready for integration. Await decision. Evolution complete.
Your broods are ready, my queen. The invasion of Augustgrad begins at your command.
Kerrigan, look at what you have wrought. Thousands dead, all for your revenge.
Their blood is on your hands, Arcturus. You made every part of this happen.
I have done great and terrible things, it is true. And I would again, to protect humanity from monsters like you.
You use words like weapons, Arcturus, but words cannot save you now.
Oh, I have other weapons. I just wanted to say goodbye, Kerrigan.
Our outlying broods are being eradicated.
The Terrans have deployed a Psi Destroyer. It corrupts our own hive mind, ripping us apart from the inside. The field will quickly kill any Zerg who enters it.
Understood. Listen to me, all of you. The Dominion will launch an assault in a moment.
A diversion. To keep us from dealing with the Psi Destroyer.
Yes, and we're going to let them think we're diverted. Zagara, you have the swarm. Hold the middle. Stukov, take a force and screen her flanks. And Dahaka, this is your moment.
The device uses this psi connection you share. But I do not have a psi connection. I will not need it.
Exactly. Gather your pack. Let's see what your Psi Destroyer can do, mate. The swarm is going to be torn apart. We have to shut down this field now. Dahaka, this is the central hub of the Psi Destroyer. We're going to bring it offline permanently. The Psi Destroyer uses power links to extend its range. Disable them, and the field will shut down temporarily.
This field poses no threat to me. I will rip apart this power link myself.
Once the field is down, I'll command the swarm and destroy their defenses.
Then it is time to act. All things change.
What is that creature?
A Terran machine hides above. I will destroy it. Watchful.
Zerg! Here, that's impossible.
Go. Essence. Follow. I go. Watchful. Yes. I follow. More. Go. I gather my pack. We will return and destroy the next power link.
The destroyer field is down. Prepare a hive cluster for combat.
The Psi Destroyer is rerouting power. The field will reactivate shortly.
Keep me informed on its progress, Isha. For now, I'm going to crush the Dominion.
We require more minerals.
Make your peace. Go! Attack while the field is down!
We require more minerals. We require more minerals. We require more minerals.
Your queen listens.
We require minerals.
Minsk will suffer. This world is mine.
We require more minerals.
Our conquest continues. Retribution will be. It is time.
We require more minerals.
We are without limit. Make your peace, yes. No time like the present. Your queen listens.
Spawn more overload.
Our conquest continues. Minsk will suffer. I am the spirit. Speak.
We require more minerals.
Retribution. What is it this?
We require more minerals.
It is. It is time.
We require more minerals.
Retribution will be mine. Speak.
We require
Your queen listens. Make your peace, yes. What is... Minsk will suffer.
our forces are under attack.
We adapt. We are without limit. Our conquest continues. No time like the present. Boldly. Your queen. Minsk will suffer. This world... Yes. Make your peace.
We require more minerals.
Retribution. The swarm conquers all. Boldly. We are without limit. We adapt.
Energy spike detected. The destroyer field will reactivate soon.
Our conquest continues.
Our forces are under attack.
It is time. Your queen listens. We adapt.
Station complete. Our forces are under attack. We require more Vespene gas.
This world is mine. All forces, pull back to the hive cluster. Make your peace. We are without limit. We adapt. Your queen listens. What is it? Retribution. Boldly. We are without limit. Our conquest makes...
Kerrigan, you and your swarm will never threaten humanity again after today.
Dahaka, the field's returned. I've pulled back the swarm. It's up to you now.
My pack is ready, eager to destroy the power link.
Our forces are under attack.
It is time. Speak.
All things. This device reeks of fire and death. I should drag it to me. I go.
Make...
Watch. Essence flows. I rotate.
We require more minerals.
I will take essence. More.
What is it this... Retribution.
Our forces are under attack.
Yes. Essence. I follow.
Our forces are under attack.
Essence flows.
It is.
The hive cluster is under attack.
Retribution will be mine. Your queen. Speak.
I listen. I go. Watchful.
What is it this time? It is time.
Change will come. All that. Many enemies. Follow. Essence flows. I follow. So much essence.
Retribution.
Our forces are under attack.
My task is complete. I will return.
We brought down the field. Strike now! Yes. I am the swarm. It... Mengsk will suffer. Make your peace. We adapt.
We require more minerals. We require more minerals.
What is it? Retribution will be mine. Your queen listens. Yes. Mengsk will suffer. Boldly. Retribution will be mine. Make your peace. Speak.
Our forces are under attack.
Make your peace.
Nuclear launch detected. Our forces are under attack.
We adapt. Boldly. Boldly.
Mutation complete.
Yes.
Psi destroyer field will reactivate momentarily.
Conquers all. Our conquest continues. This world is mine. Boldly. No time. We are without limit. It is time. Get back to the hive cluster.
We require more Vespine gas.
Makes your queen listens.
We require more Vespine gas.
Yes. What is it this time? Speak. There's only one power link left. Destroy it.
Terrans, we will break your weapon again. We come for your power link. Spawn now will be your time. Collect their essence.
Forces are under attack.
Primal Zerg forces arriving now.
Our forces are under attack.
Yes. Watchful.
Presentation complete.
Injured. Must mend wounds. I go.
Additional primal troops incoming.
Our forces are under attack.
Essence. My task is complete. I will return.
The Psi destroyer field is permanently offline.
We don't rest until that hub is destroyed. All forces strike now. For the swarm! We adapt. The swarm conquers all.
The power links are destroyed. Kill the Terrans. Take their essence.
We require unacceptable command. Maximum supply.
Yes. Our conquest continues. We are without limit. The swarm conquers.
Our forces are under attack.
We adapt.
Our forces are under attack.
defend humanity from you, Kerrigan.
This time. Yes. We've done it. The Psi Destroyer is finished. Zagara, report.
We are pushing the Dominion into the Imperial sector now.
Was that your last card, Minsk? It wasn't good enough.